Thank you, Forrest. An amazing analysis. Appreciate what you do. So before I jump in, there was a question by FaceHack. Basically, he asked, "Guys, you're terrific. I like your work, but how can we ensure you're not advertising or have a personal interest in what you say?" So my personal rebuttal for this would be, uh, we're getting paid to kind of research crypto, and I think that's the greatest opportunity there is because you're getting paid to follow your passion. So that's the ulterior motive, and the other ulterior motive is we want to produce great content and show how much value we add. So you can subscribe to Token Metrics, and of course our portfolios over there are disclosed, and every single allocation of our portfolio is disclosed. So I hope that answers the question. Uh, so in terms of metaverse, in terms of my own personal portfolio allocation, I'm gonna share some thoughts that how I kind of think about the whole crypto landscape and what role metaverse and smart contract play. And for that reason, I'm just gonna share my screen and hope it kind of uh, gives some color to some of my analysis. One second. So lately, since the start of the year, we basically saw a metaverse, which includes gaming, which actually includes metaverse, virtual, uh, attending virtual conferences, going to virtual LAN, so on and so forth, earning digital real estate, and also NFTs. So this line over here kind of represents all of those things. And then over here, we have performance of smart contract layer ones. So Ethereum, AVAX, Luna, Polkadot, even though Polkadot is not a smart contract, but uh, according to their analysis, it's included there. And then you have all of DeFi. So the way I kind of see is you have Metaverse outperforming, kind of market's narrative change. All of a sudden, there was a knee-jerk reaction. There is no COVID in metaverse. There is no smart contract risk or hack risk in metaverse like there is in DeFi. As I mentioned earlier, team members don't have to be anonymous. So market at the moment is liking that, right? But we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Uh, there could be a theme of security token, right? There could be a theme that DeFi is no longer suitable because of some regulatory changes. But there is one consistent theme, and we have seen that throughout all the cycles. Smart contract platform tend to perform well. They might not overperform all the sectors out there, but all in all, in average, when we talk about average, it kind of captures the performance of different themes altogether, and so you can get an index level exposure. So that is one of the reasons I believe, and I also personally own a lot of layer ones and layer zeros in my portfolio, because I believe whatever the next upcoming theme is, I might not know. I don't know if there will be seven further variants created down the road, which will basically make everybody love metaverse, or it could be the chance that COVID all of a sudden goes away and DeFi picks up. It's very difficult to take a big bet. Although I know this, whatever theme picks up, I'm going to get a good average return through smart contracts, so it kind of dominates my portfolio. But I'm also cognizant that metaverse have been lately doing really well. So, what are some of the projects that can still continue to outperform? And I have one project which I mentioned earlier, which I really like. It's called RMRK.
All right,
Uh,
Mehdi, before you jump into RMRK, let me summarize for viewers out there. So, what Mehdi was saying about layer ones is if you don't know what to do, or you're saying new to crypto and you're like, oh my God, how do I get in on DeFi? How do I get on in metaverse? And how do I get in and not get killed, particularly if Forrest is right? That if Forrest is right, and he probably will be, that the crypto market can climb the wall of worry. So if you take what Forrest said and what Mehdi said and synthesize it together, it could mean that the layer one protocols are, a reasonable investment if you're new, you want exposure to both future crypto upside without totally getting killed if there's a move lower. So you want to be able to get exposure to multiple things, get exposure to a rally without worrying about perhaps the bottom falling out underneath. Not investment advice. All right.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.